Konnichiwa guys, my name is Rohit Shiv Prasad and I'm the founder of RSP Japan. Well, recently ये जो पिछली videos आ रही हैं, I have told about the processes, the 3 phases, and I hope that you've watched the first phase, which is getting an offer letter. Today's video is going to be about getting a COE, the second phase, which is related to the Immigration Bureau of Japan. Watch the video till the end to understand what a guarantor is, what sort of requirements are there, and what you should be careful about. Well, this phase is regarding the COE, getting a certificate of eligibility. Certificate of eligibility is a document that states that you are eligible to study in Japan or work in Japan. For this, you need to complete the phase 1 and you need to get the offer letter in order to apply. There are a few things that you need to keep in mind before I tell you the process about how to get the COE. The first and foremost thing is that there are only 3 types of people that can apply for the COE according to the law provided by the Immigration Bureau of Japan. You can look at the website. They have a website where they have all these laws mentioned. I have gone through it. You can also do that. Well, it's not that simple, but okay. So 3 types of people that can apply for the COE is number 1, you yourself, the applicant. Now, you might be in your country or you might be in India. In that case, you cannot apply for the COE because applying for the COE would mean that you have come to Japan to apply for the COE, and that would take a lot of money and other things to consider too. Then the second one is that a legal representative. The legal representative will be your institution or organization. Now, institution or organization means that every institution or an organization has a lawyer or a person who can go to the Immigration Bureau and give the documents, submit the documents, fill your form and do things like that. They also have the provision of providing applications in bulk, which means they can give out 30 to 40 applications at once. In this case, what happens is that they make you sign a letter where you make the institute your legal representative. So that is the second case. And the third one is that where a friend or family can apply for your COE. The friend or family again has to be in Japan in order to apply for the COE. Well, these are the 3 types of people that can apply for your COE. Now, I will be using a term called guarantor or sponsor. The guarantor is going to be the person who will take the guarantee that if anything happens to you, they are the one that the Immigration Bureau is going to contact you. And the sponsor is going to be the person who is going to take care of your expenses. So when it comes to a sponsor, the sponsor needs to have a certain amount of money, 15 lakh rupees or more. They have to show the funds in their account as an account statement. It need not be the whole amount in the bank. There can be fixed deposits, but everything has to be on the documents and you need to show everything. And now this is going to take a lot of time because there is a lot that you need to understand here. The things that you need to be careful about. I will make a completely different video on this, but okay. Things that you need to take care about while you're gathering the documents for your sponsor. Make sure that you're not forging a document. Make sure that your documents are not forged at all. Make sure that you give everything original. Which means that if you're giving a bank statement, make sure that it's on the letterhead, it's printed, and it has a stamp. Probably the letterhead should have an email or phone number in case the Immigration Bureau wants to confirm with the bank. Recently what's happening is the institutions or organizations are asking for 3 years passbook or the transaction statement. You need to give the whole 3-year transactions and everything like that. In that case, please make sure these are the things that you need to keep in mind. The amount that is coming in as a salary, because this will be checked with the ITR that you submit. So as I told you, I'll make a completely different video about this because it's very long. But yes, your 3 years ka statements, your bank statement, you even have to make sure that there is no big amount coming in or going out of your bank at that moment. Like, let's just say you are applying for the institute, you came to know that there is 10 lakh of fees, so you borrowed from someone. If you do so, you have to show where this 10 lakh rupees came from. And if this 10 lakh rupees came from someone else, then the Immigration Bureau will say, why is the other person not the sponsor? Because the sponsor clearly does not has the money. In this case, your application will be rejected because according to the law mentioned in the Immigration Bureau ka website, you have to make sure that this applicant is eligible to take care of his expenses, or the sponsor is eligible to take care of the expenses. Now, these are the things that you need to keep in mind. There are a lot of details that I'll share with you, but in the upcoming videos. Process that will go on is that your legal representative will apply for the COE. Then the Immigration Bureau will go through all the documents and then give the COE back to the institution or the legal representative. The legal representative will now tell you that, okay, you have got the COE, and along with all the documents that you had submitted, they will give everything back to you. Or if you are in your country, they will send everything, the COE, the offer letter, and all the documents that you submitted back to you. So now you have everything to continue to the next phase, which is applying for the visa. If you did not understand anything, and if you want me to elaborate on this topic, where what are the documents that are actually required, well, make sure that you put it in the comments below, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Well, thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next video.